In this video, I'm going to share with you online jobs that you can do from home. It's going to be like a beginner intermediate guide. So if you're a stay-at-home mom, you're a student, or you want to just supplement your income by doing this part-time, later on doing it full-time, this is the perfect guide for you. So you better watch this video up to the end, because I'm going to throw in a free gift that I'm going to give you if you stick with me all through. I'm also going to pick 3 online jobs at random that you can be able to start right away, even with very little skills. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to Daniel Mutuku Show, where I help professionals become successful in their careers. And if this is your first time here, subscribe to my channel, press the bell button so you can get to know each and every time I release a new video. I want to start by saying it is possible for you to be able to do some online jobs and make money. And at the same time, I also want to mention that there are a lot of scams online, so you need to be able to avoid that, because many people will come to me, they tell me I tried, I got scammed, and I stopped that business of looking for online jobs. And to help you get this right, I think it starts by changing your mind frame and your mindset on how you look at these online jobs. In general, this is how online jobs work. You have a certain skill, you can be able to do a particular task, and someone somewhere around the world, they need that specific skill. They want someone to help them do that specific task. So you meet online, and when you meet online, there's someone who needs a service. You are able to provide that service, they pay you. The platform where you meet is now what really matters. And we have 2 types of platforms. I can say, like for example, there is Fiverr. Fiverr, this is where you as an individual, you have a certain skill, you have the ability to do a certain task. You go and advertise yourself and say, I'm here, I do data entry, I'm here, I do proofreading, I do writing. Hire me if you have certain kind of tasks. And people who are looking for that same kind of skill or task to be done, they will get in touch with you. And the flip side, we have websites like Freelancers, where we have someone who needs a certain skill. They will post and say, I am looking for someone to help me do data entry. I'm looking for someone to help me do writing. And the platform facilitates the meeting between the person who needs the service and the person who is providing the service. It might sound a little bit complicated, but that should not scare you, because I took my time and prepared the 21 best and legit online jobs. This is a beginner intermediate guide to making money online. You can be able to download this guide for free. But before even you download this guide for free, let's look at what are some of the jobs that are here that you can be able to get started. So I'll pick randomly 3 jobs, and we are going to deep dive and see what exactly are some of the jobs that you can start doing right away. So let's start by just job number 1. In this guide, you can see it is taking surveys. Now, the average pay, if you decide to start taking surveys, will be somewhere a few $100s per month. Top earners in this field, they make about $200 to $300 per month. Relevant websites that can enable you to get these survey jobs would be something like Swagback and online survey guides. And all you need is a laptop, a computer, or a smartphone. And I'll tell you this, you might not get rich by taking surveys, but it can serve as an anchor that you can get this small money, these small bucks here and there, just to confirm to you that you can actually make money online. And then once you start there, you can take some of these other jobs. Job number 6, yeah. Here you can be a social media influencer. Now, the average pay per year is about $50,000 and the top earners take home over $100,000 per year. Some of the relevant sites that you can head over to will be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and any other social media platform. And all you need is a camera and social media accounts. How this works, I'll just explain if you read through, is you might have a certain following on social media. And this following is made up of a certain group of people, maybe a certain demographic. And companies, organizations that have services or products that target that same kind of demographic or that following can approach you, or you can approach them and tell them, I have this following, I can be able to market your product to them. And don't think that you need to be a big celebrity. Nowadays, we have what we call micro influencers. If you have a few thousand followers, you can still be able to reach out to companies and become an influencer. Moving on. Number 9, proofreading. Here, you can be able to see on average pay per year, you'll take about $34,000 US. Top earners get up to $60,000 US. And some of the relevant sites that you can get some of these jobs would be Upwork, Freelancer, Career Builder. And all you need to have is grammar, spelling, and some usage skills. I have used proofreading services before, actually on Fiverr. When I was writing my first 2 books, I did just the typing. I dumped all my ideas in this document, then I sent it to someone to proofread it for me, and I paid them. And so I don't know them, they're somewhere, I don't know where around the world, but they can say, yeah, I was able to get some jobs, and I did online. So you just need to ask yourself, what am I really good at? Can I be able to proofread? Do I have a good command in English, grammar, checking out spelling mistakes? And we have actually tools that can help you do this job much easier. And as a bonus, let me check randomly another job here. Now, as we go down, you will find that they are asking for more skilled kind of skills. Yeah. If you have now a specific kind of skill, like this one is for graphic designer, you can be a graphic designer on freelance. An average pay you'll be taking home every year is about $45,000 US. Top earners take up to $66,000 US. Relevant website, Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, Indeed, LinkedIn, Monster, and all you need to have is skills and a good portfolio in that area. So this is a very great guide. Still more jobs that you can be able to find here. I think at this point I've already made the case as to why you need to go ahead and download the 21 best and legit online jobs, beginner and intermediate guide to making money online. Start earning extra cash with one of these online jobs. Inside this guide, this is what you will find. Number 1, we have the best online jobs, the average pay, and how much the top earners make for each of these jobs. You will also find a list of relevant websites and what you will need to get started for each job. I have also included a step-by-step guide on how to find legit online jobs so that you can avoid those scams. And finally, you also find tips on how to apply to online jobs to ensure you are successful. Find the link to this guide somewhere up here. I'll drop it in the description of this video. Also, take a look at this video, data entry online jobs. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and until my next video, I'm out.